Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Signature, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, I'll show you how to block a number using your contact list, so the number you've got currently saved, and then I'll show you how to block the number which is not saved, so in the settings. Let's open the dialer first of all and tap on the three bars icon actually in the left upper corner. And then go to the settings, and here find the contact which you'd like to block, and then tap on it. So I'll pick maybe this one. And then let's scroll down and find block numbers, which is right here. And your device will ask you whether you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So just tap on block, and as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to enter the blacklist, we have to come back to this section in the dialer, tap on the three bars icon again, and go to settings, which is on the second position. Here in general, we've got blocked numbers, so let's tap on it. And this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option also works. Here we can tap on add a number and enter the number manually. And tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the block list also. Moreover, at the top, we've got this option block unknown callers, which means that basically your device will block the calls from all unidentified numbers. So just tap on the switcher to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. And if you wish to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.